Hey guys, welcome back. Did you miss me? Well, come on in my kitchen. Today we are going to be making these delicious barbecue jackfruit tenders. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button for me. On this channel, we get into everything related to lifestyle. If this is something that you're interested in, then this is the channel for you. So keep watching and let's get into it. Now, in order to make these jackfruit tenders, you are going to need a can of jackfruit. And I picked up a can of jackfruit from Trader Joe's. Okay guys, so when you open the jackfruit, it is going to be in the shape of wedges. I am just breaking up the wedges. The jackfruit does have seeds in it. I decided that I wanted to keep the seeds in. If you would like to remove the seeds, you can. So now I'm done breaking up the jackfruit and I'm just placing the jackfruit in the pot, and I am adding a half of an onion. And I know that this is not the proper way to cut up an onion, but this is the way that I'm cutting it up today. So haha, check out this technique. So now I wanted to give this jackfruit a chicken flavor because again, it is tenders. So in order to give the jackfruit a chicken flavor, I am adding a package of chicken bouillon. Make sure that it is sodium free because the brine that the jackfruit is in is a little salty. You're just going to boil the jackfruit for about 10 minutes or until the onions become translucent. So now I'm just seasoning up the jackfruit with different seasonings. You can use the same seasonings that you would use as if you were seasoning up chicken because again, these are tenders. I decided to add another package of chicken bouillon to the jackfruit just to make sure that it is going to be giving me that chicken flavor that I'm looking for. So in my mind, I was thinking that I wanted to add a little bit of AP flour to hold my tenders together, and also I wanted to add a little bit of flour to soak up a little bit of that extra liquid that was left in the jackfruit. So do y'all want to know what I miss the most from eating chicken? I miss eating that crispy chicken skin. So I decided that I needed some skin for my tenders, and I decided to use spring roll wrappers. And I am going to be using the liquid from when I boiled the jackfruit. If you remember, it has the chicken bouillon in it, so it is going to give the wrappers extra flavor. So what you want to do is you want to drop the wrapper in the warm liquid until it softens up. So once the wrapper softens up, then what you're going to do is cut them in half and drop the mixture on top and then wrap it up. I was sitting here wondering how fresh jackfruit tastes. Have any of you guys tasted fresh jackfruit? Let me know if you have. I want to know if the taste and texture is the same as what is in the can. Comment down below and let me know. Now I have melted some butter and I am just brushing it along the top of my tenders. Once you're done brushing the butter on the top of the tenders, then you're going to place the tenders in the air fryer. If you do not have an air fryer, you can use your oven. I am adding barbecue sauce on top of my tenders, and I am going to cook these tenders until they are dark brown and crispy on top. Once they are brown and crispy on top, flip them over and add more seasonings to the top along with more barbecue sauce. And boom, this is the finished product. Check them out. Don't they look like real chicken tenders to you? And you guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Make sure you hit that like button on the way out. And until the next video, peace.
Don't be afraid.